I joined the Youth Mental Health Corps because
there was such a need in my own rural community for mental health support.
Being that trusted adult has been so valuable for the kids, and I can see it in real time.
The opportunity to get hands-on experience in the field is incredibly unique.
being a part of the Youth Mental Health Corps has really pushed me to understand that this is what I want to do.
A lot of the kids have a lot of instability in their lives, so being that person that can, have weekly check-ins with them and provide that stability, really I see makes a difference. And it also provides students with the opportunity to reduce the stigma of receiving mental health care.
The biggest thing is being able to have someone in a school who specifically is in the role to help people begin the navigation process, because to one, have a student be brave enough to come and be like, I'm seeking mental health support, I'm going through something, I need to talk to someone, but to then be like, okay, so do you have insurance? Do you have transportation to those things? There's so many more barriers. We're able to communicate with students, communicate with families.
I have one student who, unfortunately, her life circumstances have been really difficult. A lot of generational poverty and trauma has really resulted in, I would say, really disruptive classroom behavior. And so with tools I've gotten from the Youth Mental Health Corps and from my own background, I've really been able to engage with that student and be like, how are you feeling today? What can I do for you? As opposed to being like, you need to sit down, or you need to be quiet, or you need to leave the classroom.
Being a part of the Youth Mental Health Corps and getting more resources that may be more difficult to find, or taking a class with our community college, or even being able to receive a behavioral health plus certificate. It just gives you so many more opportunities career-wise, but also what you can do within the school with your students.
We're seeing such great results with our students, and I think with more and more Corps members trained in this way, you can only infuse more impact into schools throughout the system, and you could really change the system.
Attendance-wise, you see a lot more of these kids who weren't excited to go to school actually increase their attendance because they're excited to see their Corps member in school. They're like, oh, I'm excited to see this person who makes the school climate safe for me, and I know that I can talk to this person. With this program, we are actually giving them the entry-level skill so that they can start working in this field as they continue to build into those careers.
The fact that we are having credentialing and support from community colleges to give them the skills that they need to work in the field of mental health, it changes lives. It changes lives of the people who are served, and it changes lives of the people who are serving. So we need ways to sustain the program, and so government needs to step up, private sector needs to step up, and philanthropy needs to step up, because this is such an important issue in our society right now.